Welcome to Verbum. Verbum is an AI-powered web platform that automatically translates, transcribes, and delivers closed captioning for 80 languages and 42 dialects during calls, meetings, events, and chats in near real time. With Verbum, language will no longer be a barrier in your training and meetings. This is a quick training, so you can see all of Verbum's features. To begin, you can change Verbum's user interface language. Verbum supports 12 languages in its interface. With your credentials, log into your account. Remember to use Chrome or Firefox for a better user experience. This is your dashboard. You have 3 options. You can create a room, go to your meeting settings, or your account settings. Let's start with your account settings first. From here, you can change your name and your display name, which is the one everyone will see inside the meeting. You can configure your language settings from your profile, select your spoken language from the list of 80 languages and 42 dialects Verbum supports, and select the language you want to read and see in your chat, meaning the language you want the auto-translation to be. A quick tip: type the initial letter of your language and you can search it faster. Don't forget to make sure your auto-translation is active and click Save. At the bottom, you can see your account settings, login credentials, and delete your account. Customize your profile picture as well if you want. Now, create a room section. From the dashboard, click Create Room for your first room. In the Meeting Settings tab, you will see your rooms created and the features enabled for each. You can copy the room link, edit, or delete it. Click on Plus New Room. Write your room name. You can have it active or inactive. It's always active for default. Then, select the room mode that works for you. Either private, meaning only people invited by email can access. This link cannot be shared. Each invitee will receive an email with the instructions to log in. Or you can select public. You have 2 options. Public, so everyone can join only with the link and their name, and social, anyone with the link can access using social authentication like Google, Microsoft, or Facebook. Then, you will have the room features active by default: recording, translating, subtitles, and live transcript. In the section Advanced Settings, you can choose to mute attendees or the host before joining the room. This is to avoid attendees interrupting the meeting with their audio. Click Save and then you will have your room created. Check your features and copy the link if you want to share it with someone to join you in the meeting. On the left pane, click My Meetings to see all of your rooms and to join your meeting as the host. You can also copy the link from that section. On the audio and video settings, before joining the meeting, you can change your name, spoken language as well as subtitles and chat language. Make sure your camera and microphone are correctly set up and that permissions are enabled for Verbum. Then, join the meeting. This is the Video Canvas section. Welcome to the video canvas inside your meeting. Inside Verbum's meeting you can see the room name. You are able to copy the link to share or invite others to join if it is a private call. You have the option to select the layout you like the most. Look at the chat pane section. In this section, you can send messages to everyone and according to the language you selected, they will be auto-translated. In the chat pane, will be shown the meeting transcript in near real time and the attendees inside the meeting. This pane can collapse. Below, you can see our control panel with main buttons. It will allow you to turn on and off your video and microphone. If the microphone is off, you will see it in red. And when it is on, you will see it in green. You can also mute all the participants only if you are the host. Share your screen, a tab or window. The button Closed Caption allows you to see subtitles and configure the language again if you need to change it. You can even customize the layout and the number of lines that work for the type of your meeting or event. As you can see, you can choose the number of lines. Subtitles have two modes: public speaking or meeting. You will have the ability to record meetings only if you are the host. Don't worry, everyone will be notified that you started recording and everyone will see the recording symbol too. Banners are a great feature for your meetings. You can enable them and even use websites that will be clickable for the attendees. Customize the background and text color and click the checkmark and save. Turn on and off your banner in the Banners button. From the Settings button, you can customize or change your spoken language, chat language, change your audio and video settings, and see your banners created. You can also increase the font size of the subtitles. Having a correct setup of the spoken and subtitles language will allow you to do this. I can speak in English and my subtitles will be in Spanish. If I change my language here, it will automatically change in the live transcript too. To leave your room, click Leave and close Room or just Leave. If the meeting recording was enabled, it will stop automatically. From the Downloads button on the left menu, you will see your recorded meetings, and you can download or delete them. You can download your chat and meeting transcript in the original language or the language you select. Please go to our FAQ or help page, clicking on the left menu if you need more help. Once you are done, log out from the platform and we will see you again soon. Visit our YouTube channel for more videos and tutorials.